the judge legally rescinded her rights, which allowed you to be open to adopt. So then we became the adoptive. Correct. She had surrendered you when she was kind of told that was what was going to happen. And because it never was legally done in court, she did have a right to change her mind. So that's why that it had to go through the courts and be done right. They brought her up to do work with a child psychologist. We had to be with a child psychologist and the two of you. Each of us by ourselves with you, me with you, me with Natalie, Doug with you, Doug with Natalie, and then the two of you together with both of us. We had to do 2 hours, and we had to choose to play a game. And first time, you get to choose the game, and then we play. This time, you have to put it away. We have to get you to put it away without, making a big scene out of it. Just, it's time to put it away. Let's do that. So we're both teachers. This was not hard.
Not difficult.
Not difficult at all. And it went very well.
Until my teens.
Yeah, well, that's another story.
What were you told about Natalie and I as far as our background?
Well, we were told that there had been some abuse. We were told there had been some neglect. We were told that Natalie had had a situation with apnea as a baby and had been in a medical foster care on a monitor. We were told that Ashley was a manic depressive. It can be inherited. We had a lot of knowledge of what could be, and those were all things that we felt like we could deal with and do.
I know that it was mandatory that I had counseling upon the adoption. What were those terms? Was it long period until my teens, or
No.
What was it?
Well, they wanted you in particular, because you had been abused, they wanted you to have a child psychologist who did game therapy, play therapy with you. Your last session was on your birthday. You've been your 4th birthday. And he said, we have done as much as we can do with a child who's 3.5 and 4. I'm just going to tell you what to watch for. Kids who have been abused at that young age still have some childhood trauma. He said, watch for when she hits puberty. You'll have a difficult time. Watch for when she has her first boyfriend, and watch for when she gets married, and watch for when she has her first child. And those will be the moments that any of the trauma will kind of come back. Either she'll have nightmares about it, or she'll act out, or something will happen.
That kind of makes sense.
And at those periods of time, we tried to get counseling for you.
Yeah.
The first 2 at least.
Puberty was definitely one of them.
Yeah, we had counseling for you then.
And then, when I had my first boyfriend, that was very difficult for me. Didn't really understand why.
Yeah.
Blamed it on a lot of different things. Not married yet, so haven't gotten there yet.
We're still waiting for those things.
Yeah, and then I'm probably not going to have a child, but maybe adopt. So that might be a thing.
It might be a thing you get to go through too.
That'll be interesting.
I'll be happy to hold your hand through that.